1960 Mercury Comet, two-door post or two-door sedan, if you will. Definitely have not had a lot of these come through unique, especially in classics. Inline 6 powered, automatic transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, bumpers, headlight surrounds. Now, paint on this one does show its age some. There's quite a few spots where it's touched up. You can kind of see prior work that's been done. And I'll point out as we go around. You can also check out the still pictures. Those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels with wheel covers. Now you'll notice there's no Mercury badging on this vehicle anywhere. And I believe that was the reason, is it was going to be an Edsel when it was first made, and then was moved to Mercury-Comet dealership setup. If you're a Comet expert out there, or a Mercury expert, fill us in down in the comments. You can see red and white vinyl interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, so check that out a little closer. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Now, like I mentioned, you can kind of see some prior bodywork down below. Paint's not perfect on it, but it's one of those cars, you're not going to see a lot of these. You know, there's some fun going to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Perfect car for that. And you don't have to spend $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 to go do it. A few spots where there's some touch-up back here, and again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Tried to get some close-ups of them, show you in the still pictures also. uniqueclassiccars.com, and again, look in the rear, just the Comet badging. I haven't noticed Mercury on this. I think I did find a few Edsel parts on the interior that maybe were left over from 59 Edsels and then moved into the Mercury Comet. Again, if you know about these, fill us in down in the suggestion or in the comment box. We don't see a lot of these obviously come through here. We'll start it up for you, let you hear it run. Just a second here, we can take a little closer look at this interior. Red and white door panels. Little Betty Boop. Floor mats, you'll be able to see the carpeting under those in the still pictures. Seat, again, does show a little bit of wear over in the driver's side, not so much in the rear. I do have a picture of the door tag if you want to do any sort of decoding on that. Check out the VIN. That'll all be in the still pictures also. We do have some cracked dash areas. It's a tricky one to say. Nice looking dash. Dash looks about like new as far as gauge cluster. Aftermarket tack added. Now, I don't know. These look Edsel to me. Wonder if those knobs weren't carried over from a 59 Edsel. AM radio. So the vacuum wipers, previous owners said they do work some. Obviously a little tricky with that vacuum. You have enough vacuum for them to be working. Slip around to the back and hear it run. That's what you'd expect out of an inline 6 from 1960. Slip up to the front. Check out underneath the hood. Let you see and hear it run, and then we'll wrap up this video. There's the underside of the hood. That inline 6, now on 1960. I believe they came with 144 cubic inch inline 6. And then after that, they went to a bigger 170, I believe it was. Previous owner states this is the 170. Aluminum radiator's been added. Battery disconnect. Smooth runner. Like I said, fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Want something a little different. Doesn't break the bank. Here you go, 1960 Mercury Comet, two-door sedan, or post if you will. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Clicking the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1960 Mercury Comet. Mercury, of course, made by Ford, who also made the Falcon, which would be the cousin to this car. Our blinker indicators do function. This is an automatic on the column with an aftermarket period correct Sun Super Tac 2 tachometer mounted to the column. This is an eye-catching red and white on the interior and white on the exterior. We'll let the radio warm up and see how that works. Letting go of the wheels, stays straight in the lane. Yeah, the AM radio. AM radio does work. Our fuel gauge is reading over half. Temperature gauge reading about a quarter. Tachometer is working. We're doing 2,500 RPM. Automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. We got a couple cracks in the dash. Otherwise, the interior looks pretty nice. Our wipers do work. The blower motor does also function in this car. This car started up and idled nicely right away with its straight 6 engine. Brakes work good. Let's go around the corner. Comfortable factory bench seats in this car. Acceleration is as you would expect. Very fun little Mercury Comet. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.